Hello, thank you for joining me again for my channel, the Work From Home Mommies. If you are a new subscriber, you can hit the subscription button, like and comment down below. And hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I hope you guys enjoy this content that I'm about to put out. It's 9 jobs that I have come across on Indeed.com. And the first job will be UHG Careers Technical Product Owner Telecommute. This is a United Health Group job, and you can apply through their website. When you click on that link from Indeed, apply on website, and it'll take you straight here. And it's Optum, it's United Health Group. They have the jobs about us, culture, and so forth in the career areas. They have clinical, consulting, and all that good jazz. But let me tell you guys, this is the job that I want you guys to really look at right here, the Technical Product Owner Telecommute. This is the one that's on Indeed that you can apply for. And for these qualifications for this job, you will have to have experiences within the Google Cloud platform, AWS, and Azure. So yes. Now let's get back to the application process. You have to click apply, and it shows you all the primary responsibilities of this job that's included while you're working here. You have to have, the primary responsibility, bridge between market, customer, strategy, and execution / engineering, focus on solution and agile team. And then you have to have the responsibility of defines module strategy inclusive of team / module backlog and module adoption. Define stories and ultimately accepts stories as done when complete. Complies with the definition of done, DOD. Key contributor to vision, roadmap, and ROI to ensure model is meeting business goals. And have a plethora of things that you guys have to go across, and then you have to have a requirement of 10 years of experience in product ownership or working as a product owner. And another one, you have to have another qualification you have to have is experience working with commercial cloud, AWS, as I showed earlier, AWS, Azure, and GCP, Snowflake, etc., and experience leading healthcare analytics projects. And preferred qualifications is Azure, Cloud certification, AI certification, Azure or Snowflake experience working with CMS and Medicaid line of business, servant leadership experience. You also have to have, these are preferred qualifications, not have to have, but required ones are up here. The preferred ones is down here. So the servant leadership experience, you have to have that, prefer to have that. Experience managing a budget of at least $10 million. Knowledge of Optum's culture ambassador program. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. In client facing skills, team collaboration, and mentoring skills. And you have to have excellent organizational skills and ability to set priorities and schedule work deadlines. Adapting to and collaborating with the team and organizational culture. And yes, they're talking about the health of people and being fully vaccinated. When you're trying to get this role, you have to be fully vaccinated. And yeah, that's what this job requires. If you like this job, it's going to be a full-time job, a day job, the day shift, full-time schedule, and overtime status is exempt. Country is U.S., and yeah, the business segment is Optum Insight. The employer status is regular. The job level is director, travel no, and telecommuter position yes. So if it sounds like something that you like, you can go ahead and apply through Indeed.com. and apply on the company website through Indeed. Now, the second job that I have come across is the call center agent job with Meta. And this is Charlotte, North Carolina. It's a remote job for $17 an hour. It's a full-time job. And for the experience, you will have to have medical coding. The salary is $17 an hour. And full-time. And the location is remote, like I said earlier. And this is Charlotte. The contract duration is 12 months. And the pay rate is $17. Can't say that enough. That sounds great. $17 an hour, W-2 plus benefits. That's great. So we just posted 2 days ago. It is a full-time position. This is the link that you will have to click on through Indeed. It will take you to the Meta website. Meta SYS, Metasys. I hope I said that correctly. Technologies. This is employees can work remotely. It's a contract deal, and this is all the information. Other jobs at Meta. They have the call center agent in Dallas, Texas, call center agent, Monroe, Georgia, customer support representative, Monroe, Georgia, and it says show all jobs. It even have more jobs that you guys can get into. There's a job in Fairfax, one job office, DocuCare, level 2, federal account only, SCA, contract for this job. And yes, they have a Nashville, Arizona, desktop services engineer full-time, and a mail room clerk contract, and so much more on this website. And yes, let's get back to the application. So if you're interested, you click through Indeed, and it said, just get that application in there so you can go ahead and start working the dream job that you always wanted. Stay home, take care of your family, Now, the third job that I have from Indeed is the customer support case matching clerk remote job. The salary for the yearly salary is through $40,000 through $48,000 per year. It's a full-time position, and the application process will be on the company website. And the experience you have to have is clerical experience. So this is the website that you got to click into, and it says customer support was the link. This is how it's going to look. Customer support case matching clerk, and it has the number 713-506. Excuse me, let me restate that again. 713-506 remote. And then it'll show you that it's full time, it's a virtual office, and it tells you the job summary. It says Zimmer Biomed is a global medical technology leader. Our team members are a part of a company with a heritage of leadership, a focus on shaping the future, and a mission dedicated to alleviating pain and improving the quality of life of people around the world. Responsible for assisting customer support representative in managing and processing cases. And the principal duties and responsibilities are associate incoming images and enter data to cases, assist with the verification of data entry, assist in maintaining online records and records and documentation, correspondence, and other study-related information. Problem-solving abilities to troubleshoot and follow up on matches or missing images. Prepare documentation, support the data entry process. Assist with written and verbal communications as required by the customer support representative. Perform general duties and support assigned by customer service representative or management as needed. And you are expected areas of competence. You have to have good organizational skills, and you have to be essential. Must have the ability to produce work under pressure with tight deadlines are imposed. Must possess excellent oral and written communication skills. Candidate's work history must reflect his or her ability to interact well with others. Interactions and cooperation with others is necessary to accomplish job tasks in customer support. Participate in proactive team efforts to achieve departmental and company goals. Proficient personal computer skills, including electronic, mail, record keeping, routine database activity, and word processing, spreadsheet, graphics, etc. Ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, multitasking basically. And educational experience you have to have is required. You have to have a high school diploma or equivalent plus 0 to 2 years of clerical experience, including typing and data processing or an equivalent combination of education and experience. Travel requirements up to 5%. Additional information, EOE, equal opportunity employers, military, if anything I miss out of here, and disability, they have all equal rights. They have equal rights for any of these listed below, and which is military Vietnam veteran, people with disabilities, male, female, or yes. Now, compensation range is $40,000, like I said earlier. The salary per year is $40,000 to $48,000. And if you sound like something that you would like to sign up for, then you can go right ahead and go into Indeed and look this job up. It says it's spelled Zimmerman Biomet. Its remote position is $40,000 to $48,000 per year, and it's $17 an hour. I think. No, it's not that. It's not that one. That was the last job. Excuse me. But yes, it is here. It just said the salary. It didn't say the per hour, but it's probably ranging between that amount, $15 to $17 per hour. Okay, the next job that we have is regulatory coordinator, and it's Metasource. It's called Metasource, and it's $25 to $35 per hour. It's full time. The benefits of this job: you will have dental insurance, health insurance, referral program, and vision insurance as well. And it's 100% remote. Eastern time hours. And the title is regulatory coordinator for this job. That's the job title. As soon as available start date, so you can start at any time once you get hired. It's an 8-hour shift. It's a day shift as well, Monday through Friday, no weekends. And they're looking to hire 2 candidates for this role. It was posted today. And the next job that we have is the IT help desk support technician position, entry level. This job will pay you $25 to $30 per hour. It's a full-time position or part-time position. This company is named Spatial Front, Incorporated. And you have to have experience and skills of data collection. You have to have experience in that and skills in that. And it gives you a description of the job. And you can read through it. It's a very great job. Spatial Front Incorporated is the fast-growing small company providing IT solutions to federal, state, and local governments in the private sector. SFI is nationally recognized by Incorporated magazine by being awarded the Inc. 5000 Award in 2018, 19, and 2020 and 2021. We pride ourselves on being one of the premier employers in the VA, Maryland, and DC area. So if you live in that area, it's perfect. The hours of operations are 10 a.m. through 6 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. We have full-time and part-time, and 4